Hare Krishna. One of Lord Vishnu's name is Yajna because he is the master of the Vedas. The name Yajna comes from Yajushampati, which means Lord of all sacrifices. In Yajurveda, there are different ritualistic prescriptions for performing yajnas, and the beneficiary of all such yajnas in the Supreme Lord is the Supreme Lord Vishnu. Therefore, it is stated in Bhagavad Gita, Yajnarthat karmana. One should act, but one should perform one's prescribed duties only for sake of Yajna or Vishnu. So that is what is said here. Otherwise, there is a karma reaction, good or bad. And once the karma is incurred, it must be gone through. So, one must always act in Krishna consciousness. It is said so. Now, we shall see how ideal grihastha should be. Srimad Bhagavatam 416 Tam Kamayanam Bhagavanu Vaho Yajisham Patihi Tushtayam Toshamapanno Janayada Dvadashatma Jana. The lord of the ritualistic performance or yajna later married Dakshina, who was anxious to have personality of Godhead as a husband, and in this wife the Lord was very much pleased to beget 12 children. An ideal husband and wife are generally called Lakshmi Narayan to compare them to the Lord and the Goddess of Fortune, for it is significant that Lakshmi Narayan are forever happy as husband and wife. A wife should always remain satisfied with her husband, and a husband should always remain satisfied with his wife. In the Chanakya Shloka, the moral instructions of Chanakya Pandit, it is said if a husband and wife जब भी पति पत्नी एक दूसरे से संतुष्ट होते हैं तो अम, भाग्य की देवी लक्ष्मी जी आती है. In other words, when there is no disagreement between husband and wife, all material opulence is present and good children are born. Generally, according to Vedic civilization, the wife is trained to be satisfied in all conditions, and the husband, according to Vedic instruction, is required to please the wife with sufficient food, ornaments, and clothing. Then, if they are satisfied with their mutual dealings, good children are born. In this way, the entire world can become peaceful. But unfortunately, in this age of Kali, there are no ideal husbands and wives. इस कलयुग में आदर्श जो पति पत्नी है वो कम दिखाई देते हैं. देयरफॉर अनवांटेड चिल्ड्रन आर प्रोड्यूस्ड. सो इसलिए जो अनचाहे जैसे मतलब वर्ण संकर वो होने लगा है. एंड देयर इज नो पीस एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी इन द प्रेजेंट डे वर्ल्ड. इसी कारण देयर इज नो शांति, मन लोगों को शांति नहीं है. और जो देखा जाता है कि प्रॉस्पेरिटी जो बोलते हैं कि प्रॉस्पेरिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ हेल्थ एंड वेल्थ एंड काम माइंड एंड पीसफुल रिलेशंस, तो ये बहुत कम दिखाई देते हैं. तो आदर्श गृहस्थ कैसा होना चाहिए? जो बोलते हैं लक्ष्मी नारायण की जोड़ी है ऐसे बोला जाता है ना. तो ये कब होता है? जब ये विष्णु की भक्ति आराधना रेगुलरली बिना किसी व्यवधान के करते हैं और आपस में एक आदर्श स्थापित करके आदर्श की तरह जीते हैं. और ये भागवतम में कहा गया है तो ये संभव है. क्योंकि जो भागवतम फॉलो करते हैं उनको दे ऑलवेज हैव they'll always get some clues about how to progress further and further in a human body. Hare Krishna.